Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn one more masking example. As you can see on the screen, this is before, this one is after. Left side is before and right side after we applied the effect. Let me close this and I'll drop the image file which we are going to apply. Here is the image. Yes. So we'll start from here. Now for the workspace, let me reset the essential workspace and bring the layers in the sidebar. These colors, swatches, gradients, adjustment library, these are not required for this example. I can simply hide by clicking on this button, make it even more shorter. Then now we have more proper area to work on. As always, you can do Ctrl J to duplicate. And now to remove this, maybe I can use quickly lasso tool, Ctrl backspace to fill it with white color, because here in background we have the white color. And same thing I can do here, Ctrl backspace, then Ctrl D to deselect. And same thing for other areas. And for this area we can do healing brush tool. Like this, but it is going to take time, lot of time. What we can do is, so what is the better way? Better way is, we have this object selection. We know this chili is an object. We can simply select the object selection tool. It is trying to figure out how many objects in this image. So once this icon is stopped, that means the processing is done and we can highlight on the object. When I highlight on the chili, it will select, make a proper selection over there. So selection is done. I selected my original layer, press Ctrl J to duplicate. When I hide the original layer, you can see we got the chili in a perfect shape. Now we'll make one more layer at the behind layer 2. Control this in the layers panel at the bottom. We click on this icon, bring it below layer 2 and fill with white space, Control backspace. Now we got the proper chili with white background. This is one of the fastest method we can use here. Next is, we rotate this chili a little bit and now it is going outside of the area. One thing we can do is we can shorter, we can make it small, or other thing is we can increase the canvas size using C, crop tool. And so some ratio is set. I have to remove that ratio and still I need to remove these values. Now I can drag. With this is simple. With just dragging, if I press Alt, it will go in both direction. Check this, and again I have to fill the whole background because it is not fully covered. Then again I'll select layer 3, Control backspace, and this time we can select V tool, make this image chili a little bit bigger and in center. So we did the chili part. So we set up the chili. One more thing remaining is some text is written over here. For this we can use spot healing brush. Change the size. Yeah, I think this is fine. One line is there, click and shift click, small line. Now something is going outside, it is doing outside also. So what I do is I'll control click on this, and now easily I can fix it, because this tool will not work outside now, it will work only on the selection tools. So whenever now I'm working, I simply control click on this chili, and now we can easily work without thinking of what will happen outside. Not perfect, but it's fine, manageable. Yeah, so we almost fixed, and here small watermark. Okay, we can leave it as it is, and here one more watermark. Yeah, I think fine. Control T to deselect. Now bring the text and write capital chili. Text is not visible because it is white color. Select all, Control A, change to black color. Increase the size. Make sure the size should not more than the thickness of this chili. Now right click on the layer, convert to shape, then add it, and inside edit we have transform and warp. Now bring this whole image. First let me bring it here. Now again edit, transform, warp. Now simply we have to just keep on fixing this image so that the letters are just outside the chili, not too much outside, just little bit outside. And on top also they should be go outside. Yes, I think all the letters are outside on the edges. Now we need to make selection of this black part. Control click on the chili layer. Now we can hide this, and we have to invert the selection. We can use shortcut Control Shift I or select inverse. Now whatever is the inverse area that we want to hide, that we want to show, other part it should be hidden. We have to go to layer 2 and apply on mask. Yes, so congratulations. Just this last simple step. So this last step was the magic part. I'll repeat again. After doing this, we have to select all the black part, control click on chili layer, then hide it. We have to inverse the selection, select inverse, go to the layer 2 and apply mask. So what happened with mask is, if I show you the mask, so this black part is hidden in the mask and other part is visible, whatever in the chili. So wherever this black part is there, so there the chili is hidden, it is not visible, and other part is visible. How you can see that? I'll take brush tool and paint with black color. Let's make it default color D, and I bring black on top. So when I paint with black, you see we can hide anything because now we painted here. So wherever black area is, that part in the image will not be visible. Let me paint with white again to show it back. If I paint here also with white, then that chili part will be visible. But I will do Ctrl Z. This is how we can make the final image. If you want to export this as a PNG, you can hide the background and File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. I'll save on desktop. Now this is saved. Let me go to desktop once, and here you can see the image without this part. So it is a transparent image. Yes. So finally we have completed this image. Now it's your turn to apply the same concept, and you can work on carrot or radish, chili, green chili, cucumber or pumpkin, apple. So you can try with different fruits and vegetables. Yes. Thank you. Keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you.